Ngatho muno ni undu wa gucoka President Ruto ni akorwo akiaria ria mbere na oria kiuria kuri aria marenda akorwo akiuma ofici akimuria maramaanisha atia riria marakiuga Ruto must go ndigutenderithia muno ciengie maya president agikorwo akiuga no akiuga ati we ndaramaanisha uria andu mauga Ruto must go tondu ni athondekete bei ya mutu agathondekera mbeu njithi mawira na koguo ndoi meaning ya Ruto must go na akira andu acio kiugo guo makoro magifuata katiba tondu gutire president ungekeria either one term kana two term.
What do you mean by Ruto must go? How do I go? Because we have a constitution in place, dear people, right? Yes. If you want Ruto to go, please, my simple advice to you, look for a better plan. Convince the people of Kenya that you have a better plan. This one of mine has created 250,000 jobs in the housing sector. Look for one that creates 500,000. This one of mine, I have brought down the cost of unga from 240 to 160. Look for one that brings it to 50. Violence will not. Anarchy will not. It will not sort out our country. Let us not fool ourselves. So, let's be honest to one another. I have listened to what these people are saying. So, if you want Ruto to go, please, do the honorable thing, Develop a better plan than the one I have. Yes. The one that creates more jobs than the one I have. The one that brings down the cost of living than the one I have. The one that creates more opportunities for the young people of Kenya than the one that exists. Do not tell us that you hate so-and-so. This one must go. That one must have this term or the other. And you have no strategy. I have said you cannot replace a plan that is working that you don't like with no plan. The only thing you have, you are armed with hate and violence. And then you want us to agree with you? Really? Please. There are very few fools in Kenya. Persuade us. If you persuade us, I can also go and concentrate on farming and help in food security. If you have a better plan, but don't ban the country for heaven's sake. We don't have another country.